Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Hyundai Santa Fe SLX, stock reference number 5329. This shape runs from the 9th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2012. It has a D4 HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4 HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, does have a cutout for the tow bar, aftermarket Hayman Reese tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right-hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.